Hey, it's Aaron with Tribble Painting here. We're just getting started day one on a new project. Today we're on the northeast side of Ann Arbor, getting started on a kitchen, dining room, and powder room. We're going to be doing walls and ceilings and trim, and we are also going to be painting the kitchen cabinets. Process for that, we are going to be starting, we'll take all the doors and drawers fronts off. We take those back to our shop where we can work on them there. And then on site here, we'll paint the actual base cabinets themselves. First thing we do is give them a light scuff sanding, get them cleaned, and get a coat of primer on those. That'll be goal for today. Tomorrow we'll come in and start putting the actual paint on them, while also working on the rest of the walls and ceilings here. So here we are, day two in our kitchen dining room paint job. Yesterday we got all the kitchen cabinets disassembled, got the cabinet boxes themselves cleaned and primed, and they are ready for their top coat of paint today. Also got some of our patchwork done, getting the walls and ceilings ready for painting, and got a decent amount of our trim painted yesterday as well. So we'll have another good productive day today, and we'll check in at the end of the day and let you know where we got. So we're back today in our house in Ann Arbor, reinstalling the cabinet doors and drawer fronts for this kitchen. And as we talked about earlier, how we label them so that we know where they go back in is in the hinge hole here. Mark it there, put a piece of tape over it so it doesn't get painted, and we can then find the corresponding label that we've left when we took the doors and drawer fronts off, and so that we know that this door goes up there.
So if you've been thinking about painting your kitchen cabinets or updating your kitchen without the cost of a complete remodel, give Tribble Painting a call. We'd love to talk over your project with you.
Got nothing.
Nick's got nothing, so
Got nothing.
if you're looking for